Friends, I am Dr. Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Top 11 homeopathic remedies for allergy. What is allergy? Simply speaking, allergy is a defective and excessive reaction of our immune system where it shows various inflammatory reactions like skin rashes, sinusitis, rhinitis, ophthalmia, breathing troubles, gastric problems, even anaphylactic shock leading to sudden death to many common substances, foods, drinks like pollen, simple fungus, nuts, milk, eggs, shrimps, insect bites, animal fur, etc. On the right hand side, various allergens images and names have been shown. Is allergy curable? Modern medicine says allergy is not curable, but with remedies and management of lifestyle and proper care, it is controllable. This is said by the modern medicine, that is modern allopathic medicine. But by homeopathic constitutional treatment, I myself cured a number of allergic patients. It is possible to cure this if the patient obeys instruction of the doctor. What are symptoms of allergy? Allergy affects various symptoms and organs. Besides, depending on the nature of allergens and immune status of the body, signs symptoms vary widely. However, a few common symptoms have the following. Common types have the following symptoms. Number 1, hay fever or allergic rhinitis. Sneezing, itching of nose, eyes, palate, blocking, and or watering from nose, eyes swollen, moist and red. Number 2, atopic dermatitis, itching, redness of skin, peeling of the skin. Number 3, allergy from insect stings, swelling of beating spot, itching all over body, hives, cough, pain and heaviness in chest, shortness of breathing, and anaphylaxis. Anaphylaxis is actually a serious reaction from allergy where the patient may go into shock, and if it is not treated urgently, even death may occur. Drug allergy: hives, skin rash, swollen face, angioedema, wheezing in chest. Food allergy: tingling in mouth, swelling of lips, mouth, tongue, throat, hives, anaphylaxis. Various types of eruptions, allergic eruption have been shown here. Number 6, anaphylaxis. Now what is anaphylaxis? This is a fatal manifestation of allergy. This happens when a person is extremely hypersensitive to a particular allergen, which may be a modern medicine, a food item, an insect bite. Following signs symptoms appear suddenly. BP falls down, breathing troubles, skin rash, vertigo, pulse feeble faster, unconsciousness. This is a medical emergency. Unless immediate appropriate measures are taken, subject may die. In such a case, nothing but epinephrine self-injector, it is available in the market, the images shown below, should be pushed intramuscularly as soon as possible. This is a very interesting thing. This epinephrine self-injector is available in the market. You have to open one side and prick the pointed part in your, preferably in thigh region. This is an emergency situation. How to impart it, it will be shown later on. See, this is a small window through which you can see the content is okay or not.
You can check the medicine from time to time. The medicine should look clear. If it's ever discolored or cloudy. If you need to use the auto-injector, uncap the case and slide the injector out. You'll see a tube. Grip it in your fist, orange or yellow tip down, then pull off the blue safety cap. Swing and...
You have note, the lady pushes the pointed, that is needle-shaped portion in the thigh simply. That's all. Who are predisposed to allergy? Members of a family having history of allergy or asthma, children, persons having hyperactive immune system. What are most common allergens? Pictures have been shown: wheat, nut of different types, crabs, shrimps, shells, snails, eggs, milk, fresh, soya, celery, pollen, mites, animal furs. Actually, this list is infinite. So many many particles are there which affect a particular person. There is no fixed thing. Anything may be allergen to anybody. That depends on the person and the particular items. How to prevent allergy? Number one, avoiding known allergens, especially mites, spores, pets of homes, strictly. And also the particular allergens which the person knows that he is very susceptible to that particular things. That depends on the person. One must know the particular allergen types for which he is so much susceptible. That should be avoided also. Number two, following healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle is very important thing. Unhealthy lifestyle damages the immune system, and damaging of immune system means allergic manifestation will be increased. So please do not do anything which damage your immune system. Most common is modern medicine, unnecessary modern medicine intake. Unnecessary modern medicine intake. Please do not do this. These are very dangerous things. Together with, there are also there is various types of addictions, damages our immune system. Particular type of food such as too much of sugar, too much of fat, sugar. These are too. If you take too much, this endangers our immune system. This should be avoided actually. Does allergy recede automatically? Recede means cured or just go off. If fuel allergies like milk, soy, egg, etc. are noted to subside gradually with time, but others do not act so. Actually, most of the allergies remains lifelong. On the right hand side, top images of the mite, these bed mites or uh, pillow mites. It is, you cannot see it with open eyes, but these mites are there. And the second image is of an anti-allergic pillow. It is available in the market. When to consult doctors in allergy? Generally, an allergic manifestation is not an emergency situation. However, if following signs and symptoms appear, contact a physician as soon as possible. Sudden drop of blood pressure, breathing trouble starts, persisting vertigo, pulse become feeble faster, sudden loss of consciousness. This syndrome means combination of symptoms. At least if you see any three of the symptoms is there, then this syndrome is called anaphylaxis, a real dangerous situation. This has already been discussed previously. So this is a must where you should contact doctor immediately. Arsenicum album for allergy. Sudden attack comes generally after midnight, 2 a.m. or midday. Patient extremely nervous, restless, anxious. Changes place frequently, moves around room. That is his restlessness. His expression of restlessness. Severely prostrated. Seems to be out of proportion compared to his illness. That is, prostration is much more than actual illness. Drowsiness. Drinks little amount of water often. Skin burns violently. Skin burns violently, pale, puffy, baggy. Swelling better from hot, dry application, warm wraps. Attacks after taking selfies, cold foods, drinks. Bad, stale foods, drinks. Subjects are too much concern for perfection, orderliness, and neatness of everything around them. This is general symptom. This relates to the person, not to the allergy, but this is very much indicative. If this matches, then that person will respond to allergy immediately. Agaricus muscarius for allergy. Margins of eyelid red, itch, burning, itching in ears, nose itch internally, externally, spasmodic sneezing after coughing, face itches, burns, burning and smarting on lips, nipples burn and itch, itching of toes and feet, miliary eruptions on skin with intolerable itching and burning, restless sleep for violent itching and burning, labored, oppressed breathing, sensation as if pierced by needles of ice. This is a very peculiar symptom. Desire to cover head warmly. These two symptoms are actually general symptoms. May not be directly related to allergy. You have to elicit these symptoms from personal questioning of the patient. Elenthus glandulosa for allergy. Skin livid, purple, face dark as mahogany, hot, weak pulse, severe prostration, hurried breathing, throat inflamed, edematous, dusky red, suffused, dilated eyes. This is an exceptional medicine for allergy. Generally, it is not found in any books, but it's a very good medicine and it works in low potency better. Anthracnonium for allergy. Allergic manifestation appears suddenly after bite of some poisonous insect. From wound, red streaks map out along the route of lymphatics. That is, it is visible on the skin that red streaks is spreading around the wounds along the lymphatics. Swelling of face, eyes, lips with burning sensations. When arsenic album seems indicated but fails, this remedy gives desired result. Epismell for allergy. Burning, stinging, smarting, prickling pain with excessive swelling, feeling like hot needle pricking, affected parts puffy, swollen, shiny, red rosy color. Symptoms appear suddenly. Right side affected much. Patient has no thirst. This is general symptoms. Generally, epismell has no thirst. Sickle core for allergy. Burning in all parts of the body as if sparks of fire falling on body. But skin feels cold to touch, yet cannot tolerate covering. Large ecchymosis, blood blisters. Sudden sinking, feeling, complete loss of strength. Rustox for allergy. Burning, itching of face and scalp, swelling, burning and lividity of extremities. Discharge of acrid, rusty red, meat red, water-like mucus from mouth. Orbital cellulitis. Orbital means eye. Cellulitis is inflammation of the fibrous tissue. Saccular conjunctivitis. Feeling better from heat, hot bath, warm wrap in warm, dry weather and continued movement. Worse from cold air, draft, wet cold, during rest, after midnight, and the patient's mind is generally anxious, sad and despondent. This is general symptoms. This is not pertaining to allergy, this is general symptom. Last point. Belladonna for allergy. Eyelids feel sore, congested, swollen. Lacrimation like brine. Brine means salt water. Photophobia, face fiery, red, target, hot, and becomes pale and red alternately. Semilateral swelling of face. All trouble comes sudden and violent. Symptoms more on the right side. Mucous membrane dry and hot with scanty secretion. Subjects are jovial, entertaining when well but violent when sick. General symptoms doesn't relate to allergy itself but relates to the person as a whole. Allergy for allergy. Mucous membrane of nose, eyes, larynx, guts caused increased secretion. Nasal discharge acrid, eye discharge bland. Symptoms move from left to right. Eyes smarting, burning, wants to rub always. Nose drips, violent sneezing with smarting and burning. Feel worse in warm room, but better in cool open air. This is also general symptoms of the person, not of the allergy. The general symptoms are important for identifying a person, and that is most important in homeopathy. Phosphorus for allergy, flashes all over, beginning in hands, burning heat running up back and between shoulders. Edema of the face, especially of lids and the eyes. Image 1. Face semi-transparent like polished ivory, image 2. Violent ebullition and congestions. 3-star symptom means the general symptoms. This is pertaining to the person. Great depression at twilight. These persons are they feel depressed, very much depressed during evening time, twilight. Anxious, fearful before and during thunderstorm. You have to elicit this information by asking question, because the patient, when suffering from allergy, he will refer to his symptom, allergic symptoms only. But what is his nature? For that reason, you have to separate questions. Do you feel this? Do you feel any difficulty when there is thunderstorm in the sky? Then he will answer, yes, I feel anxious, or I feel some fear. Fear of being alone, apathetic, unwilling to talk, moves sluggishly, restless, fidgety feeling, cannot sit or stand still for a moment. All these symptoms relate to the person, and you have to elicit the symptom from the person asking special questions. Generally, he will not say this during his allergy infection. Calicut for allergy. Dryness of skin with itching during menses. Sac-like swelling between eyebrow and eyelids. Image 1. Intimated swelling of 1 foot only. Image 2. Respiration short, worse during least motion. Roaring, wheezing, cracking noise in the ears. Face bloated. It's a 3. Asthma better when sitting up or bending forward, or by rocking. Worse from 2 to 4 am, that is night.